National PSI Exam Prep, page 99. True or false? Number 21. A buyer offers to purchase and signs a contract. The buyer later decides not to purchase and the seller has no recourse. This is most likely an option contract. True. Number 22. Earnest money is a deposit on a contract paid by the purchaser to the seller or the seller's broker. True. Number 23. Normally, if a lessor dies, the lease is terminated. False. Leases do not normally terminate upon death. Number 24. In a sale-leaseback, the grantor becomes the lessor and the grantee becomes the lessee. False. Grantor is lessee and grantee is lessor. Number 25. When an individual buys the rights to purchase land in the future for a fixed price, the document used is a purchase agreement. False. Option. Number 26. When a person leases land on which he or she has agreed to construct an office building, the lease is termed a ground lease. True. Number 27. Most real estate contracts are implied. False. Real estate contracts should be express, written documents. Number 28. Contracts that have competent parties are most likely void. False. Valid. Number 29. An option is generally defined as an informal agreement between a prospective purchaser and a listing broker that the purchaser can buy the listed property at a price quoted by the broker. False. Written contract between optionor and optionee. Number 30. When a purchase agreement has been signed by all parties, the buyer is said to be the equitable owner or to have an equitable title. True. Number 31. In order to be valid, a purchase agreement must include earnest money as consideration. False. Earnest money is not consideration and is not required. Number 32. Earnest money is the money financed by the lending institution. False. Earnest money is a good faith deposit. Number 33. An executed contract has been completed. True. Number 34. A contract for sale conveys title to a property at the time it is signed by both parties. False. Binds parties to complete the sale. Number 35. A purchase agreement binds the buyer and seller to complete the sale within a given period of time. True. Number 36. A novation is a new contract. True. Number 37. In a purchase agreement, the buyer has legal title and the seller has equitable title. False. Seller has legal title and buyer has equitable title. Number 38. If a contract includes a clause stating time is of the essence, the parties to the contract are required to perform within a time limit established by the terms of the contract. True. Number 39. If a broker receives a counteroffer from a seller and presents it to the prospective buyer, the broker may show the property to other prospective buyers while waiting for the prospective buyer's response. True. Number 40. A counteroffer terminates the purchase agreement. True. Number 41. A bilateral contract is one in which only one party is legally bound to perform. False. Both parties. Number 42. In order for a sales contract to be legally valid, it must contain metes and bounds description. False. Any form of legal description.